YouTube, how's it going? I don't have a monitor, but hopefully you can see this small drone. It's the Neo 2. And
front left, follow, 3, 2, 1.
I just used my phone to set this up the way I want. I'm just going to use the hand gestures. But I got my dog out here at this park. And let me set this the way I want. See, I'm moving my hands back. It should go back. Stop, and we'll go up. Stop. So, it should follow us. Come, Blue, come on. We usually don't go this trail because as you can see, there's no trees and there's like a canopy of trees over there. But I wanted to go this way because I could move the drone to the side. Let me push it back a little more. See, I'm moving my hands like this. Okay. Now, I did a video like this before, but my friend here wouldn't cooperate with me, so it didn't come out too well. Hopefully you can see this drone up there. I'm moving the action camera. Come on, Blue. Come. This breed love eating grass. And I can actually let them off the leash because I can see pretty far ahead of me. And if there's someone coming, I'll just, the drone is high enough. Come on, babe. But I'm gonna show you this field here with my action camera, but I could put the drone over here and let it follow me also. And I think I need to adjust my, hopefully I don't, here we go. Come, Blue. So, hopefully the video will come out well. You know what I gotta do? Hold on, guys. It came closer, but I needed to sync the video because when I take off like that, it automatically start recording once it's in the air. So I could just sync that part, I guess, and then still should be usable. Now, I'm gonna use my hand gesture and have it track me from over here on my right. Okay. Blue, come here. Just gotta keep an eye to make sure no one's coming. Come here, boy. But I had this little drone for a couple of days now, so it's been very fun to fly. Especially you don't need a controller. It came with the module, like an antenna type thing. And I think you need that if you fly it with a regular, hey, come here, controller, like a RC controller. Come here, bud. We're coming up on a curve here. I gotta make sure. Hey, get out of here. There's some trees over there. Now it's went in front of me for some reason. Whoa, it's just going all over. Let me bring it closer. Blue, come here. Let me go out. Come here, bud. And let me go up. Come here, come here. It's going all over the place. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know why it wants to go in a circle. Like I said, it's the about the stop, Lou. I only had it a few days. Let's go back. Let's go up. Hey, come here. Ah, stop, stop, man. Stop. There we go. The sound is not like a high pitch. I think my Air 2S is louder than this drone, but I heard people, at least on the Neo 1, I'm sure it's gonna be some propellers you can swap on these to make them a little quieter. I seen one car in the parking lot here when I got here, so on the weekend, I think there's a running club comes out here and they're all over. I think I should get around 20 minutes on this battery, but I got 2 more just in case. Okay, now I can bring it back to the side. So hands up. I'll go down a little right there. We'll take it over here. That's fine. We'll do it from there. Yeah, I got to get these hand gestures. I'm sweating already. Like I said, if I would have went the other way, I'm gonna attempt to show you. You can see this field here, but the hurricane came through here and it cleared a lot of trees from this area, but it's kind of clear now. But out here you get the wild pigs, so I don't want to come out here too early. Heard those things could be dangerous. They still follow me, doing a pretty good job actually. I tracked myself out here before with the, I think it was a Mini 4 Pro, and it did a good job, but I definitely I can quickly use a hand gesture and either land it or, nope, get out of there. Land it or move it. See, it's going in a circle now for some reason. Hold up. Oh, buddy. I gotta figure that out. For some reason, it just starts and goes in a circle. Let's push it back. Thankfully, no one was coming. Hey, come here, come here. Let's try this for a while. I may have to get the phone out, but I don't want to have to look at my phone and... Okay, definitely no one's coming up here. We got a long ways. I'll do a light jog. See how it does. Come, Blue. Hey, stop, stop. Hey, come here. I'm gonna show you I use a military command for this dog. Hey, Blue, come here. Come here, buddy. Look, hey, Blue. I'll use the command double time, and when I usually say that, he'll start running. Blue, come here, come here. Now there's some trees, limbs right behind it, and it did go lower. Hey, come here, come here. Double time. Hey, slow down. Blue. I think when I raise it with my hand, there's only a certain height it'll go to. There's a limit, unless I can set that in the app. Slow down, babe. Now let's place this behind me again. Hand up. You'll see a blue light on there. Hey, come here. And we're gonna move it here. I actually like this trail better than the other one. I guess when I got a drone then. Hey, come here, come here. Come here, Blue. I'm going to see how this attract me. Come here, just stop, stop. Blue. Hey. Now, as you can see, we're gonna go through some obstacles, and it's a little dark down here, but let's try it. See if it'll attract me. I'm pretty sure I gotta swap out this battery here shortly. So I think it's still following me. Still following me, so let's see how it does. It's making some noise. It's dodging some trees. I love this drone. Come, we'll get some up here. I just want to get in the open so I can see ahead of me. But I'm gonna bring the drone in and change the battery. And I don't want this video to be too long, but it did good. So let's bring it in. I'm pretty sure the batteries are there. Both hands, and then I'll bring them closer. And now I'm gonna stop. And now I'm gonna just hold my hand out. It should land. I'm sure that battery's about to die. Okay. So let me pop another battery and we'll continue. Come here.
2, 1.
Come here. Stop. Come here. Stay. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. I am back. I'm not going to record much. Come here, Blue. Come here. Hey, water, water. Let me give my dog some water here. And then we're heading back. A little more. Come on. A little more. Come on, bud. Let's go. I swapped batteries, and as I suspected, it was almost about to die. Again, I don't know why this thing is going to the stop. It's just doing an orbit. Let me stop it here. And I'm walking into the sun. Come here, Blue. Come here. Just gotta keep an eye on it. And there we go again. It's doing its own thing for some reason. Probably should be using the phone. I'm going to put it behind me because I'm walking into the sun. Okay, come on, bud. Let's go. Anyway, YouTube, I didn't want this video to be too long, but I wanted to share my experience with this drone. Come, Blue, come on. Come on, bud. It's time to go. I'll be out here all day with the dog if I let him. He should be tired. But I'm gonna end this video, and I might just let it play a little more without talking. And I'll get a quick jog once I see that it's clear up here. And I'm going home. So YouTube, I'll see you on the next video. Come, Blue. I'll move it over here to there. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come. Get, let's go. Get up here. Double time.